In this video, I'll show you how to create an overpayment in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to head over to the banking section, and down below, you want to click on bank accounts. Now, on the bank account section, you want to click on your specific bank account. Mine will be my business bank account. And on your bank account, you want to head over to the first tab, which is reconcile. Now, on the reconcile section, what you want to do is simply find the transaction. Now, let's say we have a transaction here, which is Jacaranda, Maple Systems. And in order for you to add an overpayment, you want to head over to the right hand side of this bank line. And in here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on add details. Now, once you add the details, you want to make sure that you find and select the exact matching transaction for this bank statement. And in order for you to do that, you want to head over to match. And if it doesn't find a matching transaction, it will take you to the second option. In here, you have an option to receive as. And if you click on the drop down, in here, you can set it as a direct payment, a prepayment, or an overpayment. Now, once you set it as an overpayment, you will have the option to change the description, the amount, the region, as well as the amount, depending on your currency. You can also change the from and the date, as well as add a reference. And on the reference, you can set a reference number for an overpayment. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right hand side and click on Save Transaction. Now, once you save your transaction, it will automatically be labeled as an overpayment on the match. Now, this will be set as an overpayment, and if you do want to reconcile, head over to the bottom, and in here you will have the option to reconcile. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.